Hey, this is just a quick video to show you how to use the GPX route import function on the Beeline app. So this video is for iPhone users using the Beeline Velo device. We also have links in the description for equivalent videos for Android users and also for Beeline Moto users. So GPX routes are brilliant because they are a format that allows you to import and export routes between different platforms and services. So for example, you can go online and search for routes that other people have made, maybe in an area that you're unfamiliar with. And this website, cycle.travel, is a really good resource for that. And today we're going to use this London to Brighton route as our example. So if we just head down here to download it, I'll show you the two different ways that you can import the routes. So often websites will give you this URL where they've hosted the GPX file, and you can just copy that. And then if we head into the Beeline app here, and tap on where to, you're going to want to make sure that route mode is turned off because this only works in compass mode. And if we tap on the three dots here and tap import GPX file, we can just paste that link in and then it will import the route. Very simple. And one thing that's really nice about this is you can still edit and move around the pins. So you can customize the route that you've imported to suit you. And you can also save the route as well. So let's just call this test. And then you can head back to your navigate screen and you'll find the route in here, load it up, and there we go. So the other way of importing GPX routes is by using the integration that we've made for the iOS file system. So I'll just show you how to do that now. So if we head back to our browser and download that GPX route again that we used as our example before, rather than copying and pasting that link, I'm going to hit download here. And this will actually download the GPX file directly onto my phone. So if I tap on this button here, I can see my downloads. And I'll just tap on that. And you'll see it will bring up this big screen of text. This is nothing to worry about. This is just showing the format of the GPX file. And all you need to do is just tap on this little share icon in the top right-hand corner and then tap on copy to Beeline. And you'll see it will just load in exactly the same way as we saw before. And this is great because it means that you can head to your Files app and see all the GPX files that you've downloaded. You can even send files to your phone using AirDrop from other phones or computers. So it's very easy to organize your files and move them into the Beeline app. You can even email files to yourself. So if we go into our emails here, you can see I've actually emailed myself this route in Mallorca. So we just tap on the icon, and we can open it in exactly the same way. And there we go, there's a route in Mallorca. So if you have any further problems or questions, just head to beeline.co. There are plenty more support articles there.